Sir, nakamute ka po.
Sir, off mic ka po.
Ayun. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. So, let's go back. Sabihin ko lang sinabi ko kanina. So, in here, I mentioned that this one isn't a proper fraction. Correct? Because we have the same uh, degree. Okay, this is raised to 2. This is also raised to 2. But we'll see. Okay, kung pwede ba yung yung logarithmic. Okay, again, getting the derivative of this one, our denominator is 2x minus 5. And x squared plus 1, pwede naman natin expand to into x plus 1, x minus 1. X minus 1, x minus 1. Hindi rin pala pwede. But for this one, it's x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 2. Yeah. So, hindi na natin to pwedeng ma-simplify. Okay. But for this one can be factored into x minus 3 and then x minus 2. Correct? And this would give us a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 2. Okay. Then again, we transformed it into something like this. Okay. And then we multiply this to the entire equation. X minus 3 times x minus 2. So this will cancel, retaining the x squared plus 1 is equal to, so x minus 3 will cancel, retaining the a times x minus 2 plus x minus 2 will cancel, retaining the b times x minus 3. Then again, find a value of your x to make a variable 0. So let's say we want to get the variable a first. So x should be equal to 3. Okay. So 3 squared is 9 plus 1 is 10. So equals to. So in here, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 times a is a. And here, 3 minus 3 is 0. Of course, 0 times b is 0. Therefore, our a is 10. For the second one, for us to be able to get the value of b, make this one 0 by having a value of 2. So 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then, of course, here 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 times a is 0. For this one, 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So negative 1 times b is negative b. Of course, you can still transform this 1 into b is equals to negative 5 by multiplying negative 1 to both equation, left and right. And since we now have the values for the a and b, we can now plug that one into our equation. Okay, a is 10, b is negative 5. Okay, so this one is equal to Negative 10 integral sign of dx over x minus 3 minus 5 integral sign dx over x minus 2. So just integrate this one by parts, and then as you can see, the valid formula is the logarithmic formula du over u. So 1 is equal again to ln u plus c. Okay? So just integrate this one using this logarithmic formula. Derivative of x minus 3 is dx. So it's now working u du. It's now negative 10 x ln x minus 3. Same thing here, minus 5. Derivative of x minus 2 is dx. So it's now negative 5 ln x minus 2. And plus c. So that is now your final answer. Okay? So I hope
Sir,
I was able to answer your questions.
sir, may question po.
Yes.
Sir, paano po naging negative 10 yung A? Pero dun po sa given niya sa taas, positive 10 po siya.
Ay, oo nga, no. Ah, kala ko negative to. This is part of the bracket. Okay, positive lang yan, positive. This is positive 10, positive 10. Yan. Thank you for noticing that one, Miss Gutierrez. Any other questions? Okay,
Sir,
so ano yan?
hindi na po ba siya possible na i-simplify kasi 10 and 5 naman po siya.
Hmm? Yeah, kung gagamit kayo ng yung logarithmic, ah, anong rule na naman yun? Sa quotient rule, tama? So, quotient rule, lon ba? Okay, recall natin. Balikan natin yung module nyo. Log naman to lahat. Not sure with lon pero pag log, this is one way to simplify. Pero same lang ba sila? I think same lang sila ng definition. Log is equal to ln. But yeah, just in case that you want to simplify this one, it's like 10 over 5 and then ln of x minus 3 over x minus 2 plus c. Then, not sure kung magiging 2 to. Okay. Kung sakali man, if you want the most simplified, then this will be your final answer. But by having this one, this is already a valid final answer. Okay. Not I'm not really
Yes, sir.
requiring the most simplified answer for this one. But just in case, then maybe this is one possible solution. If we are going to base it on this quotient rule, okay? Kasi log base A times m minus log base A times n is equal to this one. So pag minus, it's m over n. So it's just that in our case, it's ln, okay? ln. Kapag minus. Pero pag plus, okay, that's a different thing. It's now like this. Okay, magtatabi yung value natin for this one. Yung x minus 3 saka x minus 2. Okay, anything else? All right, so if you guys don't have any other concerns anymore, I guess that's it. So you guys, go and then don't forget Monday will be our quiz in partial fraction. Tuesday will be, we'll see maybe a distribution of your quiz and then answering your quizzes para mapakita naman natin yung mga sagot sa quizzes. And then Wednesday, a new topic. All right, so goodbye and see you guys next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you too and goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Sir, walang pasok Wednesday.
Ano? Hindi ka papasok Wednesday?
Wala pong pasok ng Wednesday.
Wala ba? Anong meron sa Wednesday?
29, sir.
29. Ay, oo nga yata. Wednesday. O di, February 3 na.
Yay!
Kung sakali. Para magsabay kayo kasi kakaroon ng leakage eh. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, goodbye.
Okay, goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, goodbye.
Bye, sir.